Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the ice cream truck from the horror game Ice Cream. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this ice cream truck, and to begin we're going to start out drawing the bottom of this truck first. So we're going to draw one line across. So this is going to be kind of like almost the length of the whole truck. Right, so that's gonna be the very bottom, and then right here on the side, on the corner, just gonna draw one of its wheel, so just one circle, and then we're gonna draw one more on this side. So the wheels are actually kind of small for this ice cream truck. Okay, so those are the wheels, and let's add in one little detail inside. Let's draw one more circle. Okay, so now we're gonna continue on to the bottom here. Just continue with this line. Just go out a little bit more on each side. So this is gonna be the front, and this one's gonna be the back. Okay, so that's gonna be the length of the car. So now let's start out on the back here. So I'm gonna go up, and then just kind of round off the corners. Just come straight across. Right around here, and then round it off again and just come all the way down. Okay, so that's gonna be the back, and then on the front here it's pretty much the same shape. So I'm gonna go up, curve, same height as that, come all the way across, and then just come back down again. Okay, so we'll add in a lot of little details, but let's just go ahead and finish up the shape of the truck here. So starting on the back right here, just go up. Just give it a slight slant going this way. And then now for the very top here, just go straight across. So come down right around here. And then whatever space you have here, just connect it to the corner with a slant. Alright, so that's the hardest part, and now everything else is a lot easier because we're just going to be adding little details. So let's draw in the door. So I'm going to start right here. Let's draw another line, same slant as that. Come across. And then go all the way down here. So that's going to be the door. And then let's draw in the little window inside here. So I'm just gonna follow this line here on the outside line. And then close it off. And then we'll divide it up here. Alright, so that's the car window, and now let's add in the big window in the back. So I'm gonna continue with this line right here. Just come out. Let's go all the way back. And then from here, we just go straight up. So this is just gonna be one big rectangle. Okay, and then for the windows inside, so this one's easy. We'll just follow that line. Just draw one more rectangle inside. And then same thing here, just right in the middle, just divide it with two lines. Okay, so those are the major details, and we're adding the smaller stuff later. Let's go ahead and finish up the details on top. So right here is gonna be one big ice cream sign. So I'm just gonna draw a rectangle here. And then connect it with two lines. And then right here it's got those big ice cream cones. So right on the corner here, just gonna slant it up, come down, and then just close this off with a horizontal line. Alright, and then for the details for the ice cream cone, I'm just gonna add a few lines like this. I won't draw too many of these because I think it'll be better if I just color them in later. Alright, so just like kind of zigzag around. And then in here, it's got the ice cream word. So let's draw the little cones on the side first. So I'm just gonna draw one big triangle like this, and then just add one little line in the center. And then to make them into little ice cream cones, 2 little circles on top. Okay, and then in here, just ice cream. If you want to space it out evenly, just come to the center here. You can draw or write the letter R first. And then we can continue here, C. And then we can finish this off. E-A-M. Okay, and then whatever space you have here, we'll just finish it off with ice. Okay, so that's the detail on the top. Let's go ahead and finish up the details on the bottom here. Right here, it looks like it's got a little poster. So I'm just gonna draw it kind of slightly slanted. And then we can add in some details. Just divide it up. All those little menu items. Maybe I'll just draw like a couple ice cream cones here. Alright, so let's finish out the car with some more details. So let's start out with these 2 fender areas right here. I'll just draw 2 lines. This is gonna be 1 bar. And then 1 small one right underneath. And then 1 more even smaller or even shorter. Okay, so that's 3, and we're gonna draw the same thing here on the back. Okay, and then 1 shorter one. And then 1 more. Okay, and then on the bottom right here, I'm just gonna draw 1 line. So this is gonna be a different color right here. And then right on the door, it's 1 line. And looks like it's got a little bar right here. And then we'll divide that up. This one looks like the handle for the door. Alright, so that is it for this ice cream truck. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.